Hello guys, and I'm going to show you how to get your natural hair straightened when you're still in the process of growing it out if you want to have a straight look. So first I start off with washing my hair with my favorite Shea Moisture products. It's the Coconut Curl Shampoo, and I also use the conditioner and leaving it for 5 minutes and rinse it out. And I also use this other product as a leave-in. Then before I blow dry, I start by sectioning my hair. Next, I part my hair in 4 sections after towel drying my hair while it's still damped, and I secure those sections and I leave a section loose. And I use 2 kind of tools to comb out my hair, a natural comb and a pick. Pick out the back a little just so I won't, pull so much on the ends of my hair. And I get that combed out with a blow dryer. So then I decide to take both the sections in the back down and spray them with heat protector so that I won't damage my curl pattern. Then I spray a little on my hand, rub it together and rub it through my hair. And then after that, I will grab the blow dryer so that I can blow dry, which takes about 5 to 6 minutes depending on how wet it is. I'm not even gonna lie, I am very tender-headed, so my facial expression is like me trying to comb through those tight curls. And sometimes if it's hard to comb through, sometimes it means you have to clip your ends. It's time to clip your ends because your ends get tangled up together, and then it's from there. So I skipped the video for the blow dry process and show you how my hair looks at the top. It's all blow dried out, and now I'm parting the section. And I'm gonna show you a technique I use with a comb. Of course, most salons use this technique, combing the hair out as you flat iron. It's easy to get the tangles out. Then I comb that out, to see how straight it is. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished result of a healthy flat iron using heat protection. Clipping the ends, protecting the hair. But I haven't even clipped my ends because it didn't need to. But I kept my ends protected as I was growing them. And I bumped the ends of my hair for volume. And that's it. Always remember to clip your ends. Thick hair, full hair, no matter the texture, all hair is the same. Remember, thick hair is healthy hair, thin hair is unclipped hair. Trim those ends, ladies. Stop worrying about how long it looks. I'd rather have thick, short hair than long and thin hair, because one day my hair will be long and thick. Follow me, support me. Thank you.